Dear friends, let us quickly learn difference between right in rem and right in personam. Right in rem is real right, whereas right in personam is personal right. Right in rem is absolute right, whereas right in personam is relative right. Right in rem, also known as jus in rem, originated from Roman law. Right in personam, also known as jus in personam, originated from Roman law. The term right in rem, derived from Latin language, which means action in rem, refers to a legal action taken against a thing rather than a person. Whereas right in personam is a right against a person. Right in personam also is a Latin phrase. It means right against a person. Refers to a legal right that is enforceable against a specific individual or group rather than against the world at large. Right in rem is associated with property, ownership, or other general rights, whereas right in personam arises from contractual obligations or other specific relationships between individuals. Right in rem is a negative right, whereas right in personam is a positive right. Right in rem, these rights are absolute and real because they are enforceable against anyone, entire world, who interferes with the right. Whereas, right in personam, these rights are relative and personal because they are enforceable against a specific individual or group and typically arises from contractual obligations or other legal duties owned by one party to another. राइट इन रैम, ये अधिकार पूर्ण और वास्तविक हैं क्योंकि वे पूरी दुनिया के खिलाफ लागू करने योग्य हैं जो अधिकार में हस्तक्षेप करता है। राइट इन पर्सोनम, ये अधिकार सापेक्ष, संबंधी और व्यक्तिगत अधिकार हैं क्योंकि वे किसी विशिष्ट व्यक्ति या समूह के विरुद्ध लागू होते हैं और आमतौर पर एक पक्ष द्वारा दूसरे पक्ष के प्रति संविदात्मक दायित्वों पर या अन्य कानूनी कर्तव्यों से उत्पन्न होता है। एग्जाम्पल ऑफ राइट इन रैम: ओनरशिप ऑफ अ हाउस, मकान का स्वामित्व, पेटेंट्स एंड कॉपीराइट्स। एग्जाम्पल ऑफ राइट इन पर्सोनम: यदि ए ने बी को एक घर बेचा है तो ए का बी से भुगतान लेने का अधिकार राइट इन पर्सोनम है। यह अधिकार केवल बी के खिलाफ लागू होता है, ना कि पूरी दुनिया के खिलाफ। थैंक यू।